What's up, my aliens? Look at what I just bought for $25. Hopefully the glare doesn't happen too much. But that's what I've bought. No idea the amps or the watts. Classic wood paneling, but wood paneling. I want to get this bad boy open. I want to find out. 2 small spoons. Oh, actually, I am looking at selling this because it came with a microphone. Came with one of these. So I'm keeping the gooseneck because these are good microphones. I'm going to see if the amp works. I've already plugged it in and turned it on and the little light comes on, so that's one thing. But we want to make absolutely sure that it's nice and clean on the inside, that there is actually sound coming out of it. Wow. That's tiny. That really is. That's tiny as. Right. You shitting me? That's it. Right there. And because it said radio board. Oh, that's one thing that I want to have a look at. So speaker wires. What have we got? Red down the bottom, black up the top. Center tapped to center tapped. Okay, so yeah, that's easy enough to figure out. That means that where's a pointer? Knife will do. Means that one output's going to come out of there and one output's going to come out of there. Corresponds to one output out of 1, 2, 3 and one output out of 1, 2. So that's easy to figure out. Have a look at this fuse. Can't tell. It's missing a connection here. Okay, we've got 1, 2, and 3. Okay. So that's one input and there's 2 other inputs. Where does that one go? Whoa. Oh shit, that holds the front panel on. Goes there. That one goes to a tape and line in music. Well, it's only got a 2-pole switch. Showing 3, but it's only 2-pole. But how often do you come across 2-pole switches like this? It looks nice. Just look at it. This is so clean. Judging by the transistors, what? 10 watt? Tiny as. Right. Now let's see if it works. And it's working. Like the speaker's in the right part and it works. Now to test. That's the radio. So I can hear the tone and the treble changing. Does have a long drainage time. Very long. That's a decent gap right there. Right. Yep. Does work. Does. Just had to get these speakers in the right position. I'm going to disconnect the power, but we want to dump as much sound to drain that cap. Yep, still going strong. Found it. Took its time, found it. Hiding out in here. This is what I'm going to put right there. That's that. Just to make it easier for the speaker. Should be an easy one to do. All I've got to do is grab that. Flip that upside down. Place it there. And now somehow masterfully, I'll put a little bit down more. I have to mark 2 little holes. Yeah, without moving it. Don't know if you can see them. There and there. Right, one moment. It's time to use the drill. Rightio. We got the holes done. What we have to do is we have to put the other side on. We have to... No, if I just squish it up with some hot glue there, it'll hold it in place. Yeah, I'll just hot glue it. Alright, just take the camera off and get a close-up look. Right there. There we go. Did I get a good enough job? Or is that blob of solder going to contact? It is, isn't it? Yep, 2/6. Alright. Let's flip that over. And we just have a look. Oh, okay. No, it's just that the middle pin's bent over. However, I'll just double check. I think I'll be okay. Right. Try this out again. Lovely. That's all I need to hear. You can hear that. You can hear that. It's just the sound of the speakers. Yep, nice. Lovely. Perfect. Alright. So now it means that I can put it back together. This is not the right place for a capacitor. There. Right. One last vid. The last vid. The fact that she works quite nice as well. Works really well. Very good. But yep. That's it. Not so nice. Righty up. And that's it for this episode of What's Inside a Cabaret Amplifier. Note that it is the same amplifier that would mainly be used in a cabaret situation. Most likely Yakuza0. If you know, you know. Oh yeah. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment and blah blah yakety smack. But I mean, yeah. Now just like the vid. Should be G.